Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your DNS on Bluehost. So if you want to add a new DNS settings from some domain site or something like that, or you want to edit name servers, all you have to do is go ahead to the domains of your domains basically in Bluehost. Then you want to click settings, and here as you can see you can actually you have the name servers here. And now here is the advanced DNS records. As you can see, we have a lot of those. But if you want to delete one, you just basically click this button and delete or edit it, as you can see. Now you can also add a record. So you choose a type of record you want to add, like a CNAME and so on and so forth. Which refers to alias and basically TTL, and you're gonna click add. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.